Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Prompt 2 Concepts, where we make school topics simple and easy to understand. Today we will learn an important Class 6 science topic: what do different food items contain? Welcome to our lesson on food nutrients. Let's delve a bit deeper into each nutrient, and understand their importance in our daily life. First up, carbohydrates. They're like fuel for our bodies. Imagine running around and needing energy. Carbohydrates provide that necessary boost, keeping us active and full of life. Next, we have proteins, which function as the building blocks of our body. They are essential for growth and repair, particularly after those fun sports activities. Did you know that a simple egg can give you the strength you need? Then, we have fats. While they often get a bad reputation, they serve as vital sources of energy and insulation for our body. Remember, moderation is key, as our bodies only require a little fat to function efficiently. Moving on to vitamins, these mighty substances come in various forms, supporting different body functions. Imagine eating a vibrant salad packed with colorful vegetables. Each color represents different vitamins that keep us thriving. Lastly, minerals play a crucial role in providing structure, especially to bones and teeth. Incorporating foods rich in these nutrients into our daily meals ensures we grow strong and stay healthy. So, let's explore how we can enjoy a balanced diet filled with these nutrient-rich foods every day. As we continue our journey into the world of nutrients, let's explore practical ways to incorporate them into our meals. You can start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits for a boost of carbohydrates and vitamins. For lunch, consider a colorful salad mixed with veggies and beans, providing you with protein, fiber, and various minerals. Don't forget to snack on nuts or yogurt, which are great sources of healthy fats and proteins, keeping you energized throughout the day. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. In conclusion, understanding the nutrients in our food empowers us to make better choices, leading to healthier lives. By including a variety of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in our diets, we can support our growth and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is the key to thriving.